Statewide moving companies. Long-distance moving tips. Moving is stressful on its own, let alone when you have to move a long distance. Although there are thousands of statewide moving companies from which to choose, it is important to select one that offers competitive pricing and has a track record of providing high-quality service. In addition, a significant number of customers fall prey to moving frauds. Because of this, we screen our best movers based on criteria such as accurate binding quotes, positive client ratings, reasonable prices, and appropriate professional credentials. Moving across a long distance can be difficult and take a lot of time, but if you hire a statewide moving company, the process can be streamlined and made easier to handle. Because they specialize in long-distance moving tips, these statewide moving companies have the experience and resources to make sure that your move goes off without a hitch. This article will provide some helpful moving advice for long-distance moves to assist you in getting ready for your upcoming relocation with a moving company that services the entire state. Plan ahead. Moving a large distance requires careful preparation, and one of the most important things you can do is plan ahead. This implies getting a head start on the packing process by several months, if possible. In order to ensure that you don't forget anything, make a checklist of everything from alerting utilities and the post office to booking transportation. You can keep your cool and not panic at the last minute if you do this. Decluttering your home before a long distance move can save you a lot of money. Go through your stuff and make a decision on what to keep, what to sell or donate, and what to get rid of. In addition to reducing the total cost of your relocation, this will also simplify the packing procedure. Pack strategically. Packing for a cross-country move requires some careful planning. Beginning with seasonal apparel and decorations, pack the items you use least regularly. Mark the appropriate room and a brief description of the contents on the outside of each box. The movers will appreciate your cooperation in this regards. Choose the right moving company. Choosing the right long-distance moving company is crucial to the success of your long-distance move. Look for a statewide moving company that has experience with long-distance moves and a good reputation. Look at the social networking reviews and get recommendations from people you know personally. Make sure the company is licensed and insured, and get a written estimate of the cost of the move. Consider insurance when moving long distances. It's a good idea to consider purchasing insurance to protect your belongings in case of damage or loss. Check with your statewide moving company to inquire about available insurance plans or to look into acquiring insurance from a third party. Stay organized. Staying organized during a long-distance move is essential. Keep all important documents, such as your lease or mortgage paperwork, in a safe and easily accessible place. Use a checklist to keep track of tasks that need to be completed before and after the move. This will help ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. Take care of yourself. Moving a long distance can be stressful, so it's important to take care of yourself while you're doing it. Make sure you get plenty of rest, eat well, and carve out some time for physical activity and relaxation. Don't be hesitant to seek assistance from friends and family or to hire professional movers to take some of the weight off of your shoulders so that you can focus on other things. Prepare for the weather. It is crucial to be prepared for the weather, especially when moving a long distance because you will likely be traveling through a variety of regions. Bring clothes that are appropriate for the current season and any weather you think you might encounter on your trip. If you plan to drive to your new residence, you should make sure that both you and your vehicle are ready for the trip. Communicate with the moving company when it comes to statewide moving over a large distance. Communication is of the utmost importance. Keep in touch with your long-distance moving company at all times to make sure everything goes as smoothly as possible. In the event that you have any inquiries or problems, please do not be reluctant to get in touch with your mover for assistance. Have realistic expectations when it comes to moving a long distance. One thing to keep in mind is how crucial it is to have reasonable expectations. Even with the help of a company that moves people all over the state, there are bound to be some problems along the way. Maintain your flexibility and be ready to adjust to new circumstances. As you embark on a brand new journey in your new house, don't forget that the difficulties of moving will ultimately be worth it in the end. Final thoughts in conclusion. Relocating a truly great distance can be an experience that is both tough and exhilarating all at the same time due to the sheer magnitude of the journey. You can make the process easier to handle and more smooth if you are prepared ahead of time. Get rid of excess clutter, pack thoughtfully, choose the right moving company, consider getting insurance, keep yourself organized, take care of yourself, get ready for the weather, Communicate with the statewide moving company and have reasonable expectations. When you hire a reputable long-distance moving company that operates across the state, you can have peace of mind knowing that your belongings will be transported safely and that your relocation will go off without a hitch. When you hire a long-distance moving company that operates across the state, you can also hire a moving company that operates across the state. If you select a statewide moving company that does long-distance moving across the state, you also have the option of hiring a firm that does long-distance moving across the country. Thank you for watching this video on Digital Magazine YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. We will list the best statewide moving company exist in your country in our next video, so stay tuned. Your comments will be highly appreciated and guidance for us for making next video.